This is just a test of this headset with a built-in microphone. I swore I never would wear one of these again after working at the call center. But I guess it's time to get one to start recording voiceover and audio. Just seeing how this works. Well, you could use those automated text-to-speech things, but sometimes they mispronounce things. Like one time they pronounced a region in my province called the Miramichi, or somebody on CNBC mispronounced potash as potash. But just seeing how this would work and seeing how my voice comes out on this. I don't think it's too bad, but I've tried a couple runs before, but we'll see how it works.